Right, GM, welcome to day 35. Very quick Sunday swings here. I literally have small amounts of time today, but just wanted to discuss a couple of things. So these are the current pairs that I believe are extremely ready. As in, like, we're just waiting for one confluence and we're taking them. So for example, today we had a successful 2.5% trade in a day, which is extremely well. So got my entry signal, marked all these up in what is this, AUD CAD. I'm just going to show you the entire list. Looks like that. Took me about 6 hours. No normal human being does that, but at least I can say that that it was extremely productive, learned a lot of things. But anyways, got my entry signal. Basically, if you look at the 30-minute here, I want to discuss something briefly about this. Got my entry signal. Just took it right there and then, and watch this. However, I forgot to take my TP, so we can obviously can see it's 2.5 here. However, I forgot to take it. So how the position was actually looking, if I can replay this, it was looking like that, which was extremely frustrating because you're stuck dealing with a lot of psychological emotions, which is, should I close the trade early? And obviously, I was thinking, okay, well, if I close this trade early and, I'd still be up 2% in a day, which is a really good thing. And you only really need to make 2.5%. I thought, just wait. Why are you allowing the markets to decide? This pixel on the screen is literally telling you how you're feeling. And it was going up and down and up and down and up and down. And it literally looked like this. For anyone who's been staring at screens, well, it didn't go a single moment down, really. It just went down there. And even then I thought, maybe I should close it. And you know what I did? I just decided to close the fucking charts. I just decided, you know what? I'll just put the TP here, get set. If it doesn't, I'll get stopped out. And guess what? Not next, but about 2 hours afterwards, we had our TP hit. Just a lesson in just, whenever that stuff is happening, when all that psychological stuff is happening, just take a breath. And I literally sat myself in front of it, and I just sat on my hands, and I thought, okay, let me experience this. Let me actually think about this. What am I feeling? Why am I feeling this way? So that was a good thing. Noted it into my journal. Second thing of the day was a unfortunate loss here on the EDCHF. It is what it is. Here's the thing with this. I originally got the entry signal here, but I was late to the trade. So obviously it basically looked pretty much, I'm sure I could replay it and you'll see for a brief split second what it looked like to me. That was my entry signal, but I didn't see it obviously. And it looked like, you can't see it, shit. But basically it was just half of this. It was just half of that. It got stuck there, and I thought, I would have gotten stopped out if I had put it down here and I'm aiming for it. This is my entry signal. Regardless of how, anything else, this is my entry signal. And if I wasn't stopped out, I'd still be in the trade. I'd be in a worse position because I'd be, following the wicks and shit. All kinds of weird stuff. But I thought, I'm just going to follow my trading plan and I'm just going to put it down. And maybe I'll get an even better entry. Unfortunately, got stopped out. It is what it is. You take the wins with the losses. So that's the two trades I had today. Now, it was also discussing this one. I don't like discussing potential missed stuff, but I just want to reiterate how important it is to make sure you get your fucking entries numbers correct. Because I willingly use my phone to record all my stuff. Or not record all my stuff, but to use MetaTrader 5, for example, right? And I think I'm all this smart guy, all this stuff. So at this point, this trade was looking like this. I'm not joking. It was literally like this. And then a red candle. And I thought, it's not there yet. However, my trading position would be so much better because at the time I was aiming for a daily structure level. I was aiming for, I believe it was a 2. I was aiming for just about here, basically. Just about here. And I thought, nah, fuck it. I'm just gonna put this was my entry signal, but I was already late to it, right? So I just put it here, and I just typed in all my stuff and thought, okay, if I put the order limit or limit order in, I'll just leave it. If I don't get hit, I don't get hit, right? What happens? It fucking hits my stuff, right? That's first thing. And flies up to a total of, currently, my position will be up 4.72%. All because I missed one digit on the entry price. I believe it was 7 or something. Didn't see it. And when I saw this, I was like, oh, great. My entry said, look at it. Position still not filled. I'm like, what the fuck? Why? Look, wrong thing. So, for the love of God, if you're not that good with numbers, use the trading platform of your broker to just do the simple thing, which is copy the entry price, copy the profit level, copy the stop level. But I leave it here as a lesson for future me. But anyways, that was one of the pairs that I analyzed. And it did run away from me, but it is what it is. Anyways, we move on. 30 minutes on this. This is what we're waiting for. Basically, AUD USD. We're waiting for the break of the higher low for then high. Boom, 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 boom. Very simple. That looks so beautiful, but what it is. Now here, we're waiting for a break of the lower high. Just extremely simple as well. Just this. We want that to do that, and then that. And we'll take our entry from there. NZD USD, same thing as AUD USD. Yeah. That, pretty much. Just needs to break the higher low. Platinum. Platinum is an interesting one because it keeps fucking with me, which is a kind way of saying it keeps moving its fucking thing and not giving me good signals. But anyways, what we need is a break of the lower high. That's pretty much all we need. EUS 200, need a break of the lower high. Still waiting for that. NZD CHF, need a break of lower high. Already had its bullish then bearish structure. Yes, I don't want to doubt myself here. Just wait. Got that. Yeah, because it broke the previous level right here. Broke it. So there we go. US 30, as you can see, keeps fucking moving away for some reason, and I don't get alerts about it. We've got this massive ass gap here. For some reason, it won't give me the tool of, I would say this is 3,000 ticks per points, whatever this is measured in. I assume it's 30, 40 pips or something in actual pip terms. But anyways, yeah, so basically that's pretty much it. Just need to wait for that. Right, next, USD CAD, and we've got an entry here that I was not alerted by. I don't know what it is with TradingView. Once you reach your maximum limit of alerts, it just starts giving you full shit. Like, it'll tell me, oh yeah, the lower low's broken, when it's broken the lower high. It makes no fucking sense. This was broken at 1800, so you can actually watch me do this live. This was broken here, so that means 1 hour, 2 hour, and 4 hour, all good. However, 4 hour is indeed missing about 11 pips to become in engulfing candle, so this is not valid. So what we would do actually here is claim, okay, cool, this is now high. For some reason my caps locks in on high and higher low. I'll mark it up here, which basically just tells me I need to break the higher low again for this to be valid. BTC USD, waiting for the break of lower high, and AUD CAD, waiting for the break of higher low, but I presume what's going to happen here is just boom, 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 break over this, use something like this, and aim for that. I could see that happening. Right, that was pretty much it. That was a little speedy as, well, not so speedy, it was 10 minutes, but it's a bit difficult going through. I don't even know how many pairs this is to summarize exactly what's happening and also to break down the two positions. But anyways, that's pretty much it from me, and I'll see you motherfuckers tomorrow.